Let's learn how to fix EverBest Stair Climbing Shopping Trolley Bag. Step 1 is to remove these black caps. These are the safety caps. After removing these, we will fit the wheels. These are the wheels. We will press this pin inside and put the wheel inside the steel rod. And by pulling them out again, we will check if they are fitted properly or not. They are fitted properly. Now to remove the wheels, press the pin again just like this and pull out the wheels. We have fitted the wheels again. Now we will stretch our frame or unfold the frame. This is how we pull out the latch and unfold the frame. Now we will fix the frame with the latch. This is how the latch is fitted. This is how the latch is fitted and the bag will be put inside the frame. We will pass the frame in the middle of this bag from this area. Put the bag into the frame. Now fix the black hang with Velcro. This is how the Velcro is fitted. And the trolley is ready.